Hi, Sketch friends. Let's draw this cute Panda Bear Boba Tea. Woohoo! Let's go. We're going to start off with these two dots. That determines the width of that panda bear's head, and we're going to draw the rainbow line, right? Curving up. Awesome. Good job, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and start curving a line down. We're going to stop right here because we're going to add his little paws. He's got his little paws that are hanging over the edge of the cup. He said, "Why did you put me in here? I don't belong in a boba tea." So we're going to draw these two little ovals for the panda bear's paws. Oh, he's drinking a milkshake. Look at 1, 2, 3. Oh man, how many is he going to drink? 5. If you didn't know, panda bears love to snack a lot. And they snack so much. 16 hours a day. Yeah, they snack so much. That's why their jaws are so powerful. Oh, yep, see? He's eating snacks again. Onion rings, So you'll notice with these eyes, we drew a big circle. And then we have 2 little circles inside the eye. And then the black circle. Here, let's look at this other one. And then here's the marking of the panda's eye. And these characters are known for their big eyes. It makes them look so cute. Alright, so we've got a big circle. And then we're going to have these 2 circles inside of it. One bigger, one smaller. Those are highlights inside of the eye. And then now this is the circle I was talking about. We're going to draw a circle, but we're not going to draw through the highlights. We're going to fill it in. That's the pupil. That's the black part of the eye. And then now we're going to do the marking. So we're going to curve a line to the left. There you have it. Yeah, this panda bear is so cute. It's too cute to eat or to drink. So this is the nose. We have a oval. And now we're going to draw 2 lines that curve down, small ones. Now we're going to draw a big line that curves down. And then for the tongue, we have the line that curves up. Add these little jelly bean shaped eyebrows. It's just so cute. And then we're going to finish off the head with this little line that curves down a little bit. I want you to look at the placement for the ears. You see where the ear ends? It's down where the eyes are. So it's really big ears. Well, this panda bear definitely passes the cuteness test today. We're going to draw another one. Really big ear. So sometimes you have to pay attention to the size of your shapes, right, guys? So the ears especially. Okay, we're going to curve a line to the left. Now we're going to curve a line to the right. This is going to be the top of the cup. Oh, he's got some more chips. Hey, you got to watch it, man. I think those are like high in sodium. So I know that's not good for my dog. You don't want to feed your dog too many potato chips. So we're going to draw these 2 lines down. They get a little bit closer together. And a line that curves down. But I do let my dog lick my fingers after I eat Cheetos because they're just covered in cheesy powder, right? And my dog likes eating it. So these are the boba pearls. And so we have all these repetition of circles. That's a principle of design in art. Repetition. Okay, we're almost there, guys. So you can add some extra details if you want. Like I said, add some rosy cheeks. Maybe you have a straw going through this little panda bear. Good job, guys. Way to go. Woohoo. Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.